So finally we got announcement that Matt is going to skip the session. So please enjoy it. Skip. I'm waiting. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Ayush and I welcome you to my channel Ayush Vlogs. So I hope you all are fine in this hot weather, and even I'm also fine. So I came here to make a special vlog, a pure Railfan vlog. So I hope you are enjoying this vlog. Just how I came, I only knows, but it takes me around 2 hours to come to Titagarh from my home. So really it's very hot right now. How I am like talking to you, I only knows in this hot weather. So it's nothing a big problem and issue to make a vlog on this hot weather because content is king. And being a vlogger, being a content creator, it's my job to provide the content to all of you. So that's it only I want to say. You just enjoy the small trailer of this vlog. to capture a most famous train and an international train, Maitree Express, which connects Dhaka to Kolkata and Kolkata to Dhaka. In short, we can say it connects from India to Bangladesh and from Bangladesh to India. What does Maitree means? Maitree means friendship between the two countries. So for that reason, Indian Railway given this name Maitree because it means the friendship between India and Bangladesh to India. Currently, Indian Railway started this train from 30 May for passenger from Dhaka to Kolkata because many people come from Dhaka to Kolkata for treatment. So for that reason, then the train again started. 2 years before the train was shut down because of COVID. Everyone knows about the pandemic situation. That maximum train was closed, and like no train, and I think only 5 to 10% trains were running. So after 2 years of lockdown and after 2 years of pandemic, again India started this train, and you don't believe it. Like when the first time the train departs on 30 May, maximum Railfans come to capture this train. I really don't know what happened. Like I was scrolling my YouTube channel and I saw that like Dhaka-Kolkata Maitree Express came. I thought like this train shut down 2 years before now for the lockdown. But that time I felt so much bad. Like if I get the news early or no, then for sure I'm going to capture this train. But my luck was not in my favor, so I missed the train. But no problem, this I came and captured this train. Just waiting for the train right now. Like when train is going to escape. Waiting from last 1 hour. Just now many of the trains escape. Just waiting, but my main target is Dhaka-Kolkata Maitree Express. I give you a small detail about this train. So the train number of this train is 13110 Dhaka-Kolkata Maitree Express, and it was first started at 2008. I don't remember the date, but it started on 2008. In 2008 to 2020, the train was running on the 3 days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I may be wrong, but currently after lockdown, the train is running only 2 days, Wednesday and Saturday. It departs 8:15 from Dhaka. It's BST time, like Bangladesh Standard Time. I don't know about IST. I think IST is around 8:45. Sorry, 7:45. India is 30 minutes slower. Is slow from Bangladesh. So it departs 8:15 from Bangladesh and it arrives 4 p.m. sharp at Kolkata station. 4 p.m. is IST. It's not BST. It's not Bangladesh Standard Time. It's Indian Standard Time. So if I share the rack sharing of this Maitree Express, so Maitree Express shared this rack with Bandhan Express, which runs between Kolkata to Khulna. It's also an international train. Currently, Indian Railways is operating 4 international trains. First is Kolkata-Dhaka Maitree Express. Second is Kolkata-Khulna Bandhan Express, which is also an international train. Third, which is currently started by Indian Railways from 2nd June, is New Jalpaiguri Dhaka Mitali Express, and fourth, which already started by Indian Railway, it's Jainagar Janakpur DMU. Janakpur comes in Nepal. Currently 3 trains are running from West Bengal to Bangladesh, and only 1 train is running from India to Nepal is Jainagar Janakpur DMU. It's now Tisha Tosha Shalda report while express skip this station, so just enjoy the skip. I'm going to meet you after this. Tisha Tosha Express WF4 Kabla Locomotive. I hope you enjoy the escape of Dhaka-Kolkata. Just now we got an announcement like 2 trains going to skip the station. So I think Purvanchal Express is going to skip the station. So just enjoy this skip of Purvanchal Express. I hope you like the skip of Purvanchal Express. Currently, Shialda, I think Shialda Lalgota Express is going to skip. It's going to skip the system. So enjoy the skip also. And then after that, we try to show the skip of Maitree Express. Lalgota Shialda passengers. Got announcement that match is going to skip the session. So please enjoy this skip. I'm really excited to see this skip. I should be ready. So one thing I forgot to share, like, if you want to see the skip of Maitree Express, full skip, then you have to go to my second channel, included link is given in description below. So just visit that channel. Already I uploaded. Just now Maitree Express skips the station, and I'm really not happy right now. The reason behind me not to be happy is that I expected green color livery of this coach, of this train, which I saw in other videos. The train was not in green color livery, it's blue color livery, I think Shatabdi can say. Second reason for me not to be happy is that I expected high skips of the train. I didn't get on any train. So for that reason I'm moving off. So if I give a small details about this Titagarh railway station. So Titagarh comes under Eastern Railway and it has 4 platforms and it comes under Shialda-Kolkata bundle main line. If I say the condition of this station, so the condition of the station is worst. During hot weather, in this hot weather, you won't get the water in any of the platforms. So this is the condition of the station. If I tap this no water. Platform. Second reason behind it, that bathroom is very dirty. Thank God I didn't went to bathroom. But from outside I saw the bathroom condition is very bad. Third, always there is a problem for Indian Railway. Lot dirtiness all around. But if I say a reason that this station is good, that very less crowd. Only one positive thing about this station is that you will get very less crowd. I don't know, like now it's because of hot, the crowd is less or maybe any other reason. But I saw the crowd is very less in this platform if I compare from other stations. So only one positive thing about this station, the crowd is very less. So it's time to say you bye. I hope you like my video. So please like my video and please subscribe to my channel for more vlog from my side. So till now, bye bye and have a nice day. I will meet you very soon. Bye bye.